Biodiversity is essential for the health of ecosystems and the planet as a whole. Understanding and appreciating the rich tapestry of animal living styles is not only fascinating but also critical for conservation and the coexistence of humans and wildlife on our planet. Survival strategies in the animal kingdom are diverse and fascinating. Throughout evolution, animals have developed a wide range of tactics to thrive in their respective environments. These strategies can be categorized into several key areas. Many animals have evolved to blend seamlessly with their surroundings, making them nearly invisible to predators or prey. Examples include the leaf-tailed gecko and stick insects, which mimic the appearance of leaves and twigs. Some animals mimic the appearance, behavior, or sounds of other species to gain advantages. For instance, the harmless milk snake imitates the venomous coral snake, deterring potential predators. Predators have evolved various hunting techniques, from stealthy ambush predators like the cheetah to pack hunters like wolves. Prey, on the other hand, often employ speed, agility, and warning signals to evade capture. Many animals engage in mutually beneficial relationships. Examples include cleaner fish that remove parasites from larger fish, and pollinators like bees and flowers that rely on each other for survival. Some animals undertake long-distance migrations to find food or suitable breeding grounds. This is seen in birds, whales, and even insects like monarch butterflies. Animals in harsh environments conserve energy by entering states of reduced metabolism, such as hibernation in bears and torpor in hummingbirds. Animals employ various reproductive strategies, from producing numerous offspring with low chances of survival to investing heavily in a few offspring. For example, sea turtles lay hundreds of eggs, while elephants have relatively few offspring with longer gestation periods. Many animals use complex forms of communication to establish territories, warn of danger, or attract mates. This includes vocalizations, visual displays, and chemical signals. Over time, animals adapt to their changing environments through genetic changes. This adaptation can occur through natural selection or, in some cases, artificial selection due to human influence. Social animals, like ants and bees, have highly organized colonies with specialized roles for individuals. This social structure enhances their collective survival. Some animals exhibit tool use, such as chimpanzees using sticks to extract termites from mounds. This behavior showcases cognitive abilities that aid in survival. Animals have developed various means of escaping predators or defending themselves, such as the chameleon's rapid color change and the porcupine's quills. These strategies highlight the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the remarkable ways in which animals have adapted to their environments. The study of these survival strategies continues to be a source of inspiration for researchers and conservationists, providing valuable insights into the intricacies of the natural world. Climate change can have various adverse effects on animal life, including rising temperatures, melting polar ice, and altered precipitation patterns can lead to the loss of habitats for many species. For example, polar bears are losing their sea ice hunting grounds. Many animals rely on seasonal cues for migration, breeding, and foraging. Climate change can disrupt these patterns, affecting species like birds and butterflies. Changes in temperature and ocean acidity can affect the distribution and abundance of marine life, impacting animals that rely on them for food, such as seals, penguins, and whales. Warmer temperatures can expand the range of disease vectors like mosquitoes, affecting animals such as amphibians, which are vulnerable to diseases like chytridiomycosis. The absorption of excess carbon dioxide by oceans is causing ocean acidification, which can harm marine animals with calcium carbonate shells or skeletons, like corals and some shellfish. More frequent and severe weather events can lead to habitat destruction, increased stress, and direct harm to animals. Competition and predation: as species shift their ranges in response to climate change, they may come into contact with new competitors and predators, potentially harming some species. Elevated temperatures can disrupt the reproductive cycles of many animals, leading to reduced birth rates and population declines. It's important to note that climate change affects different species in various ways, and its overall impact on ecosystems is complex. Conservation efforts are essential to mitigate these effects and protect vulnerable species. May produce inaccurate information about people, places, or facts. Protecting animals is a fundamental responsibility of humanity, rooted in our moral and ethical obligations. There are several key aspects to consider in this context. Animals play crucial roles in ecosystems. Protecting them helps maintain biodiversity, ensuring that these ecosystems function properly, benefiting both wildlife and humans. Human activities, such as habitat destruction and poaching, have led to the endangerment and extinction of many species. It is our responsibility to prevent further loss of biodiversity by conserving and protecting vulnerable animals. We should ensure that animals are treated with respect and dignity. This includes humane treatment in captivity, such as in zoos or farms, as well as wild animals, whose habitats we should protect. Humans have a unique role as stewards of the planet. We have the ability to impact the environment positively or negatively. Being responsible stewards means making choices that support, rather than harm, the animal kingdom. Governments, organizations, and individuals must advocate for and enact laws and regulations that safeguard animals. This includes the protection of endangered species and the humane treatment of domesticated animals. Raising awareness about the importance of animal protection is key. Educating people about the impact of their choices, such as adopting sustainable consumption habits and supporting conservation efforts, can lead to positive change. Investment in scientific research is essential for understanding and protecting animals. Conservation initiatives, including habitat preservation, captive breeding, and wildlife reserves, are vital for safeguarding endangered species. Consideration for animals extends to ethical choices in areas like animal testing, farming, and entertainment. We must continually question the ethical implications of our actions. Humans have a moral and ethical duty to protect animals and the natural world. The well-being of animals is intertwined with the health of our planet and, in turn, our own well-being. It's our collective responsibility to ensure the survival and welfare of animals, both for their sake and for the future of our world. Like, share, subscribe, and leave constructive comment on our research.